This is our social emotional learning reflect, manage, and respond kit. Let me show you a few items that you get with this kit. The first thing I'm going to start with is our yoga chips. These are awesome for kids to calm down, maybe after recess, or even just to take a break in the classroom when you have some extra time. Doing yoga poses helps kids relax and it brings them to a calm state of mind. The next thing we have in this kit is our social emotional learning conversation card set. There are lots of topics in this card set for you to use with your students, whether it's at morning meeting, while you're having different discussions, or they're great to even put in the writing center to have kids answer the prompts that are on the cards. Another thing you get in this kit is a silicone bracelet. I love this bracelet because it has great friendly words on it, such as kind, caring, generous, friendly, giving. It reminds students to be all they can be using these words. Another great silicone bracelet we have is this double-sided bracelet. The reason I love this so much is we know some students need to tell us to back off without using words. So if the bracelet's on green, they're in a good state of mind, they're ready to go. If they don't want to talk about something, or maybe this is their signal for them to talk to you later, they will turn it to red, like I have a problem, I need to either calm down or talk about. I love this double-sided bracelet. The next tool we have in this kit is our breathing star. This is a great way for students, again, to calm themselves or to just reset. They put their finger on the start dot and they travel around the star while breathing in and out, taking deep breaths. The great thing about this card is the black line is actually felted, so it feels very soft to the touch. It's great for those sensory students. This kit has so many items, including pencils, emotions dice, journals, and even an emotions slide and learn. You're going to find so many great tools in this kit that will help you to help your students manage themselves.